Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a partition on an SSD in Windows 11. This method will work on laptop and desktop system. The process is very simple and step by step, so make sure you watch the entire tutorial. Once you understand these steps, you'll be able to create and manage partitions on both SSD and HDD drives anytime you need. To begin, just right click on the start button and select Disk Management. When the disk management window opens, take a look at the available space on your drives. In my case, I have a C drive and a E drive and few recovery partitions. Those recovery partitions are normal and should be left alone. We'll be creating a new partition from the C drive, so that's the one you need to focus on. Right now, my C drive has about 129 gigabytes of total space. You can check the available free space right here. And in my case, it shows that the C drive is 54% free, which means I have around 69 gigabytes available. If you don't have enough free space on your C drive, you can also shrink space from another drive like D or E, as long as there's free storage available. For this example, I'm going to shrink the C drive and use part of that space to create a new drive. To get started, I'll just right click on the C drive and choose Shrink Volume. As soon as I click on shrink, you'll see small shrink window. In this window, you'll see the total size of the drive before shrinking, displayed in megabytes. Below that, it shows you how much space is available to shrink, and then you'll find the box where you can enter the amount of space you want to shrink. For example, if you want to shrink about 20 gigabytes, just simply type 20,000 here. This amount will be taken from the available free space and create unallocated space. Once you've entered the value, just click on Shrink and Windows will reduce the drive size accordingly. Now that the unallocated space is available, I can easily create a new partition on my Windows. So I'll simply right-click on the unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume and click Next. And you don't really need to change anything here, just keep clicking Next. When it asks you to assign a drive letter, you can choose any letter you want. I'll select D since the E drive already exists. Then click Next again, make sure Perform a Quick Format is checked, and you can give your partition drive name. So in volume label field, type the name and keep the file system set to NTFS, which is the recommended option. After that, click Next, then Finish. And that's it. We've successfully created a new partition on the SSD in Windows 11. Now, if we open File Explorer and go to this PC, you can see the new D drive partition is available right there. It's really that simple. Let me know in the comments if this tutorial helped you create or partition an SSD or HDD. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.